I think there's a song out there that says, "Here we go again." So it's been a rough winter. We continue to fight through it. This one's no exception. It could be pretty rough as we get towards the end of the week here. Our plow operators have been out since yesterday. They're back on their 12-hour shifts, so we'll run 24-hour shifts until we get this event cleaned up. Likely be working through Sunday and potentially into next week on these 12-hour shifts.
So I'd really encourage the motoring public, unless you legitimately have a need to be out traveling, to stay home and bunker there if you can. It's not worth the risk to yourself, and if you do get stuck, obviously someone has to come get you.
I could be doing a lot of other things, and I don't have to do things, but I could be, and so it's another day out of my life.
We are on our way back to Nashville, Tennessee from Denver, and our flight was originally supposed to leave at around 7 o'clock, and we got a text message after arriving here early that our flight was going to be delayed about an hour and a half, now leaving sometime around 9 o'clock. We decided to get here early just in case, drop the rental car off, and we got a message about TSA backup, so we just wanted to make sure everything was lined up and we wouldn't be the reason for a delay, and then we ended up getting a text message about being delayed anyway. It started snowing last night. The weather the entire time we were here was rather mild up until today, and big temperature drop, quite a bit of snow, and the roads were a little messy on the way here. We were here in Denver for my husband to interview for a pilot job with a major airline. So I think that's kind of funny that we've experienced these types of delays when that's what he's looking into getting into now as a career.